So here we have my nice 2010 MacBook Pro. It's had recently 3 new logic boards and a new display installed. The Apple Store at Boylston Street is at its wit's end about what to try next. You can see it looks perfectly good now. I'm in photo booth using that discrete display. When I quit it, everything goes to hell. This is it switching to the integrated display. If I open up photo booth again, everything comes back. I'm essentially in a position here where I have to make sure that I'm using that discrete video card, or else I run the risk of being greeted with severe display distortion every time I switch. It doesn't always happen. It seems to be related to the temperature of the Mac being at a certain level. I seem to find some correlation with it happening more reliably if I use graphics card status to switch to integrated only mode first and then reboot the Mac. That seems to put it in a state where it's more liable to jump into this. It seems like if I run some other stuff sometimes that uses the integrated mode, like QuickTime Player or the discrete mode, and try to utilize that with some force, it sort of jars it out of this problem, which of course is not a workaround I really want to deal with all the time. And then once I've done something like that, it might switch around, quit it. Obviously that's not a permanent fix that time. Sometimes it seems like using the video card in certain ways will sort of permanently or semi-permanently knock it out of this problem, but the only surefire solution so far is to make sure I don't go into integrated mode. So this is pretty frustrating, and I just want to put this out there for people who are curious what I'm going through and possibly other people who are running into the same problem.